Sometimes magic doesn't come in gold-trimmed boxes. Sometimes it hides in cheap cardboard, covered in unicorns. And that's exactly what I found in this curious little case from Kaleidoscope's Etch art collection. A kit promising mythical creatures, shimmering foil, and a portal into imagination. At first glance, it looked like a toy, but for someone like me, this kit felt like a quiet invitation. An invitation to uncover what's hidden beneath the darkness. So today, I'm going to unbox it, review it honestly, and at the end, I'll show you something personal, a little message I etched for you. Let's begin. At first glance, the suitcase motif grabbed me. On Amazon, it popped. A little carry case with mythical creatures stamped on it. I thought this could be my secret portal to relaxation, all for just 100 dirhams. And why mythical creatures, you might ask? Because it is my favorite theme to draw. When I carry the packaging, you can feel it. It's lightweight cardboard under a glossy unicorn lamination. It feels a bit fragile for what it promises. The unboxing experience is okay, nothing special. Once you flip it open, here's what you get. A small user manual, just enough to get started. 2 stencils, made from flimsy, weak, and cheap plastic. Honestly, not practical at all. They slide around and don't hold shape. 3 sets of etching sheets, surprisingly well packaged with thick cardboard backing so they don't bend in transit. The etching sheets come in 3 styles, and they are 12 reveal etch art sheets, 6 pre-printed foil etch art sheets, shiny, flashy effects, and 6 blank etch art sheets, completely plain, waiting for your imagination to take over. You get also a plastic etching stylus, basic yes, but functional. And last but not least, a special postcard etching card, which I actually customized for you, and I'll reveal it at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Now, let's talk about the reason I bought this kit in the first place. The creatures. There's one panel that instantly called to me, the Phoenix, a creature born in fire, destined to rise again. And in many ways, it reminds me of how art can pull us back together when we feel like we've scattered into ash. Scratching it was like therapy. No thinking, no pressure, just pure instinctive movement. I captured the full process, and I'll leave the link below if you want to watch the Phoenix come to life. But that wasn't all. I also tested one of the foil etch panels and decided to bring a dragon to life. The foil gives you this shiny, magical reveal. So satisfying. Every stroke feels like you're uncovering treasure beneath the darkness. That said, I have one small complaint. The foil panel comes with a lot of pre-printed white details, which limits your freedom and creativity. I wish they had left more areas open for creativity, so I could have added my own textures or scales to the dragon. Still, as a relaxing experience, both panels hit that sweet spot between effort and reward. And if you're curious about how both the Phoenix and dragon looked from start to finish, check out the ASMR time-lapse video I made. You'll find it linked right below in the description. Quick warning from experience. As satisfying as etching is, it does get messy. The black coating you're scratching off? Yeah, that turns into tiny dusty flakes. And if you're not careful, it'll coat your desk, your hands, even your sleeves. I made the mistake of etching directly over my white art mat. Don't do that. So my advice is to always etch on a smooth, hard surface, like plastic, glass, or laminated wood. If you do get those black flakes stuck in textured surfaces, here is an art hack for you. Use a soft eraser to gently lift the residue, then sweep or vacuum the rest. It's a simple art hack, and it saved my setup. Little things like this can turn a messy process into a clean ritual, one you'll actually look forward to. Before I wrap up, I have to say, Kaleidoscope didn't stop with mythical creatures. There are other kits out there, jungles, oceans, fantasy realms. But for me, I had to choose mystery. I had to choose dragons, phoenixes, creatures that don't just exist, they transform. Still, I'm curious, which creature should I bring to life next? Should I try the unicorn in this kit, or open a completely different realm? Drop me a comment. Your idea might be etched next. Oh, and remember that little postcard panel I mentioned earlier? Well, I couldn't help myself. I etched something just for you. That's right. No pressure, just a scratched-in whisper from one artist to another. If you enjoyed this review, if you love mythical creatures, creativity, or just quiet little corners of magic, hit that button. I'll keep revealing more, one layer at a time. And if you want to see the full ASMR experience of the phoenix and the dragon coming to life, the link is right below. Until then, keep etching your truth, even when the surface looks dark.